This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. Welcome back to I Bought Some Shit, Let's Unbox It. And I'm so excited for today's video because my crybabies showed up, okay? They showed up and I'm so excited and I can't wait to open them. But before I do that, I want to share with you some of the, I guess they're called blister packs, right? The ones that are either like on a card or in like a little box and like you know what it is because everything else is like a mystery box. I'm still trying to figure out the terminology, but I think these are blister packs technically. So I want to show you my Skullpanda Wednesday. How sweet is she? Now, full disclosure, I have never seen the Wednesday show. I know. I heard the first season's amazing. I just wasn't interested. I just wasn't. I'm sorry. I just wasn't. But I heard the second season's awful, which now makes me want to watch it even more. But anyway, I saw this and I was like, oh, this bitch is fantastic. She looks like such a little shit. I can't wait to own her. And I thought this was so adorable, so I needed to get her. And she is perfect. She's perfection. As soon as I saw her and I opened her out of the box, I looked at Alex. I said, look at our new daughter. And he gave me a look that I will never forget. But no, like she's so cute though. I love her little outfit. I do love the Skullpandas. They're starting to really grow on me. At first, I was just all about Labubus. I was like, oh, everything else. Now I'm kind of like showing the love for every IP for the most part. There's still some that I'm like, I just can't get on board, like the Peach Riots. It's just not for me. I don't know. It's just whatever. But I like Skullpanda. And this bitch is sassy. She's serving and I love it. Oh my God, look at that. I love her. Anyway, so I wanted to show you her. She's fabulous. We love you so much. Okay. And then I got two Labubu. So funny story. And I don't know when exactly you're going to see this in relation to it, but when I was in New York, we wound up going to Roosevelt Field Mall where they actually have a Robo Pop Mart machine. And it was so sad because they had the Wings of Fantasy. They had this little Labubu just sitting there and like, they were like, no, you can't buy it. Sorry, you can't buy it. And I was like, what do you mean I can't buy it? And it was like out of order, out of stock. I'm like, this is bullshit. That whole machine was so f***ed up. Thankfully, now that I have a Pop Mart in Orlando, I can breathe again. But I was really excited to see it in, you know, New York. And I was like, oh my God, this is amazing. And then the machine didn't work. So if you are from the Long Island area and you've been to the Roosevelt Field and you've shopped at that Robo shop, please let me know if it actually did work for you, because it didn't work for me. But I saw him, and let me tell you, so he's been kind of sitting on TikTok Live for a hot minute, and I thought he was cute. I wasn't gonna pull the trigger. When I saw him in person, I was like, oh, bitch, you took my breath away. I love him. And I know a lot of people hate him, and I'm like, why? He's so fun. He's so silvery. No, gold. Sorry, wrong color. But he is like a little gold prince. Look at him with his little outfit on. I love the yellow detail. I like the deep purple. I like his little yellow toenails. It makes me think that he's a smoker. I love it. I think this is so cute. So this is one of those purchases I feel like you kind of have to see in store because I don't think the pictures online are selling it. But anyway, I think this is super cute. And then I kind of got a little crazy. It was my birthday, whatever. I didn't care, but I have been looking at this one for a hot minute and I was not about to pay like a crazy ass price because the store in Florida had him for like $160 and I was like, get the out of here. But I found him on StockX for literally actually a little bit underneath half. So I felt really good. I felt really good about it. This is the hide and seek Labubu. Basically, I think this is a Singapore exclusive. Bitch is a mermaid. Look at that tail, how adorable. I love him. This, I feel like if I want to be like, oh, this is a fucking, just a power statement. I realize how ridiculous that sounds, but if I want to be like, oh, I'm better than you bitches, I got a Singapore exclusive, you know, then I kind of bring him out. You know what I mean? I love these things. I really do. They bring me so much joy. They're so fun. And I utilize the hell out of them. You have to see me try to leave the house. I have to like look at the wall of stuff that I have and I go, okay, I'm gonna bring you today. I'm gonna bring you. Gotta rotate them because you know, you gotta show love to everybody. But this is so sweet though. I love him. Oh my God. I love his little shrimp hat, or I don't know what the this is. Also, I love the little pearl detail. Like this is really cute. And this was well worth the money in my opinion. And I love my child. Anyway, so I wanted to show you these. These are my little fun little babes. Let me go put them back because I really, 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 really want to open up these crybabies. I've been dreaming about them. So hold please. Okay, so this. Okay, this is the Crybaby Vacation Mode On. There have been a lot of people that have been feeling some type of way about it because they're like, why are they releasing, you know, summer things in winter? And, you know, people have to remember it's the world doesn't revolve around the US. There are other places in the world that are experiencing summer. But, you know, us Americans, we're and we think everything's about us. So that's why people are kind of up in arms about it. But look how cute. Well, that's actually one of the reasons. And then some people just don't love like that there's hair. I don't know. I saw this and initially I was only going to get one. And then I don't know what happened. The more I looked at them, the more I was like, I need all of them. And they just make me so happy. Okay, so here are all the little options. This is my girl right here, okay? Pall Mall Sally. I love her. Or actually Virginia Slim Cassidy. I don't know. We're going to have to come up with a name for her. But I love her so much. She looks like such a degenerate. And I know most people are probably like, you want it because she looks like a degenerate? Yes. As a former smoker, okay? This is everything. So to guarantee that I was going to get the one that I wanted, I didn't have to, but I decided to buy the full set and I regret nothing. Okay, I regret nothing. So here's hoping that I get the set that I want because there is a secret, which I'll show you right here. She's beautiful. Bitch is a mermaid, okay? I'm obsessed. Oh, this is so cute. All right, let's do it like the stores. Okay, never mind. I already ripped it. But oh my God, look how cute. Okay, so let me put her off to the side. All right, so again, here are your options. All right, that's one side. I think they're all cute. Maybe Glug Glug is the only one that's kind of low-key terrifying, but I have seen people actually like restyle her hair and she looks cute as fuck now. And then there's also some people that have been dressing them up for winter, which has been kind of fun too. I haven't crossed into the realm of getting clothes for my Labubus, but maybe I should. Okay, 2026, maybe I should, just saying. Anyway, all right, I think this is gonna be, I feel like this is gonna be, I think it's gonna be full sale. I think this is gonna be full sale. Let's find out. Insert reaction. Okay. Oh God, she's good. And this is exactly what I thought it was gonna be. I felt her. I felt my full sale bitch. Oh, she's so cute. She's so cute. Look at her little bikini. Oh, she looks so miserable. Oh, I love her. She is so cute. Crybabies at first really were like ugly as I thought they were horrible. And now I'm like, I love them so much. Again, I feel like Pop Mart is a little bit of a Stockholm syndrome because now I'm like, I can't see myself without these little dolls. I love her. She is so fun. Oh my God. Her frizzy hair. Oh my God. I really do. I like this line because they all look trashy. Like they all should be smoking cigarettes, you know what I mean? And like laying out in the sun a little too long that they start to sizzle. Like I love them. So let's see. This one, I'm going straight through the middle. I feel like it's actually gonna be chilling on the beach. I think it's gonna be chilling on the beach. Let's see if I'm right. Because so far I was right. Oh, are you fucking kidding me? Shut up, I'm psychic. Okay. Oh, and then also like this apparently is like a little thing that like attaches to her. Oh, she's so cute. I can't. That little lavender hair. Oh my God. So this is a little surfboard, but hold on, I gotta put it back. I just like ripped it off of her because I thought it was magnetic and it's not. And now I cannot put it back on her little fat hand. Hold please, hold please. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Why did I do that? All right, I think this is like a two-man operation. I need Alex to help me. But she has a little surfboard. I thought this was supposed to be magnetic, but it's not. Why did I think this was magnetic? I don't know, but she's cute though. She kind of looks like Mimi Bobak a little bit, but I think it's just the blue eyes could also look like it's doubling for eyeshadow. You know what I mean? Oh God, so good. She's so cute. I am psychic. Okay. Oh, I love being psychic. Okay, wait, I think I got it. Yay! Okay. Woo! All right, I fixed it. I figured it out. I had to like lay her down. Oh, she's so cute. This is Trashy Tina. She looks like a Whitney. I like her. She's Whitney. Okay. Who is this gonna be? I am so psychic. Oh, it's so good. I think this might be, Glug Glug. I feel like this could be Glug Glug. Let's find out. Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Shut up. 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 I need to play the Ooh. Oh, girl, no. What happened? Glug Glug. Okay, I could see why people don't like Glug Glug. We're gonna have to fix her hair. First of all, I am so psychic. That is insane. I don't think I've ever been 3 for 3 before. Like, I need to not go to work today and go to the casino. I feel powerful. I feel lucky. I feel blessed. Like, what am I doing in this world right now? Oh my God, her hair is a rat's nest. Least favorite, definitely. We're gonna fix her hair. We're gonna have to fix her hair. She actually reminds me of me as a child when I would just be like running all day and then like just coming home looking like this. So my mom would be like, where the fuck were you? I was like, ma'am, I don't know. All right. She looks crazy, but I kind of love her though. Okay. I kind of love her. It's kind of like the Pranky Peanut, although Pranky Peanut is a goddess. It's kind of like, it's so ugly, it's cute kind of a situation. She's starting to grow on me, but I need to fix her hair for the life of me. But if I ever had a child, this is what she would look like. Also, she's kind of beefy in one arm. Yeah, this is me. This is me as a child. She looks like a Cynthia. Maybe this one's Cynthia. This is like a Cynthia doll from the Rugrats. Jesus Christ. Okay. I'm a little scared because I haven't gotten my target yet. My target is Trashy Tanya over here. Or was it Pall Mall Sally? I forgot the names already. But I really want her. But I have a feeling this is going to be, I think this is going to be Chilling on the Beach. I think it's going to be Chilling on the Beach. Let's see if I'm right. Oh no, but you know what's so funny? I thought about this one, but I was like, no, it's gonna be Chilling on the Beach. No, bitch, it's her. It's my summer vibe. Oh, she is cute. She is cute. Damn, she's cute. Oh, I love that she kind of looks like a Minnie Mouse in a way. Oh, she's so cute and she has a little tattoo. Oh, she's fun. Oh, I love her. And I think out of all of them, pretty much her and my lavender girl here, I feel like their hair is the most tamest. The other ones are just a hot mess, but oh, she's so cute. And I love these cards. They look like they're all stickers pretty much. Super cute. All right, I have 2 more boxes. I'm a little scared. But I think this is my girl. I think this is gonna be my sunbathing Pall Mall bitch. My Virginia Slim Kathy. I think that's what this is gonna be. No, it's not. Okay. Okay. Oh, her hair looks all fucked up too. So this is Chilling on the Beach. Okay, her hair is a hot mess. Okay. She's cute though, but she is a hot mess. She looked like she fell asleep on the beach. Oh my God, girl. Oh man, I'm gonna have to brush these out. I'm just gonna brush these little babies out. By far. Cutest one by far. But damn. Okay. I need some hairspray. All right. I'm a little scared now because listen, I love The Secret, but I really just want the whole reason why I wanted this set. And if she's not in here, I will be devastated. Let's find out. Yay! My bitch is home! Oh, I love her. Okay. First of all, oh, you are amazing. Hold on. Girl got accessories. She has little sunglasses. She's everything. This bitch smokes like a chimney, okay? She's a Virginia Slim 2 packs a day kind of lady. She takes no shit. I feel like she is on the beach reading like, oh God, what was it, like Life magazine, like back in like the 50s and 60s. I feel like that's who she is. She's watching her kids like literally drown in the ocean, chain smoking cigarettes and drinking a nice martini. All right. Because that's what my bitch likes to do, but really probably not a martini. It's probably some weird green alcohol that tastes like nail polish remover. But I love her anyway though. She is everything. She is like the reason why I wanted this set. I I love her. You are coming to work with me today. And by coming to work with me, I mean like sitting in front of me so I can just stare at her and just like poke her little belly while I write angry emails at stupid people all day. I love her. I love her so much. Okay, so let's recap here. She's number one. She's number two, although I feel like they could kind of coexist together because they're beautiful. Then I would say my bitch with the surfboard, love her. And then I would kind of go with this very frizzy Glenn Close. Glenn Close. She looks like she's definitely Fatal Attraction a little bit. Actually, wait, is that the right movie I'm thinking of? Is Fatal Attraction the one with Glenn Close? Yes, I am right. Okay, because at first I was like, no, it's not Basic Instinct. She does look like Glenn Close, okay? Then I guess kind of tying in at the end is these bitches, but maybe like this one's a little bit better. Glug Glug needs a little bit of love because she is fucking wild looking, but she's growing on me. She's kind of growing on me. But who cares though, because I got my bitch who chain smokes, and this will definitely, when I move here, which I will be moving soon, this will probably be a permanent fixture in my background because I always talk about real estate pink color or sometimes reference lot lizards, and I feel like this is my mascot for that. She's so everything. I love her. Okay. Anyway, so me and my child, we gotta go. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I would love to hear from y'all. Let me know if you have the CRYBABY collection, and if so, do you love it or do you hate it? Let me know because I love hearing from you. And of course, I want to say thank you so much for my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this disgusting, filthy garbage boat afloat. I love your faces, and I will catch you little trash bags in the next video. Bye.